Alright y'all, today is the day we putting on those mirror caps. Cool. So, got the mirror caps, got the spoiler in the back. We about to put these on. Probably gonna go with the mirror caps first and then do the spoiler. I'm gonna leave cards. So if y'all wanna skip ahead to the spoiler or just watch the mirror caps, y'all can. So we got that in the back, them M styles. About to pop them on, man. But we about to get these on. First, let's pop these off. All right, so it comes with this tool and you gotta kind of just like pop the cap off. See if I can get under here. I already did this one earlier, so it's gonna be probably pretty loose. That should just pop off like that. Okay, easy. I'm really just gonna need your help with the spoiler.
Oh, you popped it off?
Yeah, I already popped. Well, I already popped this off. All right, and then these just pop on. But it's like a trick though, cause I tried it the first time and that shit was hard.
A trick.
Bro, back up. Bro, bro, you got all this outside.
Like that and
Man, you're trying to just live his life like me, right?
yeah, talk, bro. Man, what's the trick, bro?
I got it. Nah, the trick, well, I had to like press, you had to press like the bottom and like the top and push them down so they click on. Cause I tried to do it, I didn't do it like that the first time and I couldn't get them on. Bro. Dang, I got them mirror caps on. That junk kind of hard, I ain't gonna cap. M-style caps with the horns on the end. All right, let me pop off this other one. Now this one, it's gonna take me forever to pop off because I ain't pop it off yet, not one time. And I already like messed up the tool for real, for real. I swear he burnt it.
What you gonna do with these?
I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Honestly, you just probably can go down around. There we go. Yeah. I really don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'm probably just keeping the car and then just have them.
You gonna sell?
I mean, I might keep them just in case. You never know what happens. All right, boom. Second one off, easy. I ain't gonna lie. This whole process didn't even take like what, 5 minutes. All right. Gotta squeeze the top and squeeze the bottom. Why this one feel like it look like it fit different than the other one? Oh, never mind, I'm just done. And that's it. That was easy. That's tough. Got the spoiler. So for my spoiler, it came with this tape, but this doesn't look strong at all. Like, it doesn't look like it's gonna hold. So I went to AutoZone, grab some 3M super strength holding tape. And again, I'm gonna leave the link for the spoiler and for the mirror caps. So if y'all wanna go pick up some cheap mods. Oh yeah, let's get right. Gotta wipe down the surface so the tape can stick.
This is glass cleaner, by the way. Glass cleaner clean everything.
Universal. It's like the real hat. Don't gotta be, and it doesn't have to be anything too crazy off, for real. Just nice little wipe down. All right, now here is where it get real. So really, I can just go all the way around with it.
You want to wipe this down too?
Alright, so it should look something like this when you put it on. So it's gonna look something like this when y'all peel it. Just leave a little like corner, leave a corner flipped off so y'all can peel it back once you get the fitment right. So for this middle one, I'm gonna leave a little bit extra. Alright. You see. Now this is the scary part, because once that hoe get up there, GG. Alright. Hey, that's crazy. Alright, so pretty much, make sure, I just gotta make sure once it goes up there, it's on. It ain't about to get stuck under the spoiler. Alright. And all you gotta do is really just peel this off. And then same thing with this. And then same thing with this. And then last one. Down. How that look?
That damn hard.
Come on, man.
Stop playing with him.
We got the spoiler up there now. That is tough. That's tough. Honestly, simple mods, bro. It cost me no more than like $100 for both of these. I think the spoiler was like 50, and then the mirror caps are 50 as well, so probably right at 100 for both of these. And they're clean. That bit look crazy. Dang. Y'all see the detail, man. Hey man, you might have outdid yourself with this one. Dang, you might have outdid yourself. That is tough. It's like a whole different car.
Wow. That's why I said, I'm like, that's hard.
Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you.
Sir.
I ain't even gonna lie, the speckles is tough.
Bro, the back to me look harder.
I ain't even come around the back. Dang. Man. Just gotta go all black on the emblems now. But dang, that is tough. Oh yeah. That's right. That's right. Need work done. Y'all know where to find them.
Shoot a little shot.
Get with us. Get with him. Yeah.